Users Management. Now let's look at user management. This is the security hub of your restaurant, where you control exactly who has access to your system and what they can do. At the top, you'll always see your own profile and current access level. In this case, you are viewing the page as an administrator. To grow your team, click the Invite User button. You simply enter their email address and assign a specific role. You can choose between administrators for full access, managers for day-to-day operations, or staff for handling basic bookings. The system will instantly send them an email invitation to join your workspace. Below, the team members list shows everyone currently connected to your restaurant. You can verify their status, whether they are active or if their invitation is still pending. As your staff changes, you can update permissions easily. Click the blue edit icon to change a user's role, for example, promoting a staff member to a manager. If an employee leaves, click the red trash can to immediately revoke their access and remove them from the system.